Hi guys, some basic versus advanced English. The weather is hot. The weather is sweltering. She's pretty. She's stunning. Let's go. Let's proceed. I'm sorry. I offer you my apologies. See you later. Until we meet again. I'm angry. I'm wrathful. I don't know. I'm not certain. I love being outside. I am very outdoorsy. I have no money. I'm broke. I love to write. I am a wordsmith. I love traveling. I have a wanderlust. I love gardening. I have a green thumb. I am sleepy. I am drowsing. You're so lucky. You're so jammy. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I'm busy. I'm swamped. Leave me alone. Give me a break. I like you a lot. I'm so into you. It's not tough. It's not rocket science. Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? The food is delicious. The food is divine. I'm a bit busy. I'm a bit tied up. Thank you. I appreciate that. Please like.